Okay, on page 130 and 131, we have the idea of subjects and predicates, and I know that you've all heard this before, but let's take a look at it again. Subjects, that's what the sentence is about. So in your sentence that is one of the sentences that's used here as an example, Garth Brooks, I'm just going to call him GB for short here, GB, Garth Brooks, and he will perform. So what you see here is the subject and the predicate. Now in this case the predicate is the simple verb here, but you can add a lot of other things. Maybe Garth Brooks will perform beautifully. Maybe he will perform for the first time in 10 years, or whatever you want to say. Or you might want to say more about Garth, the handsome Garth Brooks, the wonderful Garth Brooks, the exciting Garth Brooks. Whatever you want to say will all be included in the subject, and then of course anything that you say about the verb will be included in the full predicate. But when we're talking about the simple predicate and the simple subject, we're just talking about that essence. And when we get into a little bit more diagramming, we're going to do a little bit just to help you see how these things fit together. You're always going to start with just the simple subject and simple predicate. And over here to the left, we'll put the subject. So if you look on page 131, if you look at the simple subject, well, we have bright clouds. That's what the sentence is about at number 1, the bottom of page 131. Bright clouds, but I'm just going to put the word clouds because I don't really need the adjective there, do I? I just need the essence of the sentence, and that's what a diagram will do for you. It'll show you the heart of the sentence, and then you can add all the extraneous stuff later. You can see what you as a writer can do to embellish the subject and the predicate, but for the beginning, man, all we want to do is show that simple subject and simple predicate. So if you take a look again, number 1, bright clouds drifted across the sky. What would the simple predicate be? What are they doing? What are they doing? Well, they drifted. So we'll put the word drifted here. Okay? And that's our simple subject and simple predicate. So try in the practice here to see if you can find the simple subject, the simple predicate of the rest of these sentences, or at least do maybe 5 of them. Check them, make sure you have the idea, and then we'll continue.